Hey everybody, a little bit of a different video today. As you can see, I have a virtual background up right now, and I have a microphone in front of me. That's because I'm going to do a quick review on the microphone that I got for Christmas. This one here, which is the LESHP BM700. It comes as a kit, and I'll show you the unboxing and everything here. But basically it's a full kit, and I got it for $35, which is quite a good deal. I'm also recording right now on the built-in microphone on my camcorder, which you can also hear right now. Test 1 2 3 3 2 1, and the same on the microphone in front of me. Test 1 2 3 3 2 1. Now right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and hook up my wireless lav mic and give you a test to give you an idea what the quality of that is as well. Just 1 second.
There is the lav mic. Test 1 2 3 3 2 1.
The batteries seem to be getting low, so I don't have a good RF link. That's why I'm sitting kind of funny. Alright, so here's the unboxing video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. As you can see, it is just a wee bit chilly. Minus 11 in the shop. But today, I have another unboxing for you. As you can see, it arrives in a rather unimpressive brown box. This would be the black version of the BM700. What's the BM700, you ask? It is a microphone. So right now I'm recording on just the built-in microphone of my camera. This whole kit I got off of Amazon, and I'll show you the screenshot here. I got it for $35.99 plus tax. Now it's a little more expensive, but as you can see, it's a complete kit. So it comes with the pop filter on this nice gooseneck and clamp. We have an XLR to 1/8 stereo style plug. We have this mount for mounting it onto a desk, and then the arm fits in there. These seem to be fairly high quality. They are just tacked on here. It is bent metal only. There is no inserts or anything here, so it's just this thick of metal that's threaded, so you can't really put a lot of pressure onto it. But inside you can see it's a little extra piece of metal that is bent out, so it's not the screw bearing directly onto it. It actually pushes the metal out, which is nice. And it has a nice little foot there, and this rotates as well. So good there. And we have this spring arm. So this goes into the vice type clamp that I showed you, and you can tighten it here, and this also springs out. Now you'll notice that this brass end is on here. This brass end actually wasn't on this when I got it. It was actually part of the microphone. So when I screwed sorry, not the microphone, the stand, when I screwed this onto there, it stayed on this end. It's got a little slot on each side, so I could probably take it off again using a screwdriver, but I haven't done that. And then you have the spring-loaded isolation arm. So this holds the microphone in here, and it's all held on only by these elasticized things. So this is actually isolated. If you're not careful, this will touch, so you'll have to be careful with that. And then you can squeeze that to grab the microphone, and it screws on there. I think this is a standard size, and the adapter makes it down to the size for the swing arm. This is a little odd because you'd expect it to clamp on by squeezing this together, and it actually doesn't. The way it screws on, it kind of pulls this into that side, which is a little odd, but it does seem to work. What it means though is that if you tighten it this way, you see this is fairly tight. As soon as you try to move it up this way, it gets loose, and it'll tighten again. So it's a little odd, but it does work. at this windscreen. It's a little crushed, but it does fit on nice. It comes with a USB 7.1 sound card. I'm not sure just how good this is. I did try it in Linux, and I haven't tried it since I've added the Echo Cut into the software. But it was kind of just as noisy as my built-in one, so I'm not sure if I gain anything by using that, but we'll give it a try again later. And then this is the microphone. So it seems to be fairly well put together. It's a nice, fairly strong mesh on it. Standard XLR connector on it. BM700. Seems to be fairly well made, fairly nice looking. I did do some preliminary testing with it, and it did seem to sound pretty good. We'll try it here in a second. This is the paper that comes with it. As you can see, it's Chinese on the front with the microphone pattern, everything else. And then on this side here, I have the microphone pattern, frequency response graph, and the basic specs. I'll post some of those as well. There's a basic unboxing of the LESHP BM700 full kit. We'll set that up a little later and do some more recording.